What's up guys, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a video buying some Dollar Tree makeup items and doing a full face with them. So this is something I saw on YouTube and I thought it would be really fun to try. If I'm being honest, a lot of the makeup nowadays is way too expensive. So today I'm going to be getting some makeup from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be doing a full face with it, and I'll see you guys there. Here we are guys, we're at the Dollar Tree. We're about to go in and get some makeup for today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to find the makeup section and I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so I think I found the makeup section in my local Dollar Tree and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can try to find some foundation. Okay, so as of right now, I'm not really seeing any foundation. So I found this is $125, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to use it because this looks kind of light for my skin. So for foundation, I might just use one that I have at home. I don't really see any primers. That's something I was looking for too. So this is the LA Colors concealer and I am familiar with this brand. They have color correctors and stuff like that, but I'm mainly just looking for a concealer that is my color. Honestly, this looks kind of light. I'm going to get this Sunlight bronzer. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. This is the highlighter stick that I found. It is this kind of like yellowish color. It's actually just found this concealer. The color looks very similar to what my NARS concealer is, so I think this might be worth a try. So right off the bat, I'm seeing these little palettes and they're only like $1.25. They're really cute and I think I might just get this palette. Look at this palette guys. It's like this smoky 12 color one. I think I might get this one. Unfortunately, I could not find any powder in this section. I just cannot find any powder. Look at this. I've never seen this brand before. I think I want to get this because it's just like calling my name. I think this is what I want. This is the eyeliner that I'm getting. It is this Slim Felt Tip by LA Colors. We are looking at the lip glosses. These are what we have to work with. I think this one might be the one that I have to give a go. It's by this brand that I haven't heard before. I'm really excited to try this out, so this is one that I will be buying. These are the lashes that I'm going to be getting for today's look. Got all the makeup items that I'm going to be using for today's video. So let's go ahead and head on home so I can do the look. Alright everybody, I am back at home and I'm about to start this Dollar Tree makeup look. So I already have my eyebrows done and I already put on some e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and use foundation for today's makeup look because I unfortunately could not find any foundation that matched my shade at the Dollar Tree. All of this that I bought was a grand total of $13.44, which is pretty impressive. So let's just go ahead and go straight into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I got from the Dollar Tree is this concealer. Every single thing that I got from the dollar store was $1.75. So meaning that every single item that I bought was under $2. Okay guys, so here is the concealer all blended out. I don't necessarily love it, but it'll do. And it doesn't really have like a lot of coverage. It's really light coverage. Next thing that I'm going to be using is my own personal powders. Now these were not from the Dollar Tree. These are mine that I owned. Okay guys, so now that I have set and baked my face, I am now going to be bronzing my face with this Sunlight bronzer. Alright guys, here's my face so far and I really do think this looks really good. But next up is the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this smoky eyeshadow palette. Guys, here's the finished eyeshadow look. The pigment on this palette is insane. This is not what I expected from $1.75 Dollar Tree makeup. Might be my favorite palette so far. This is crazy. I was not expecting this. This is the eyeliner that I got. now I'm going to be using this highlighter, and I was pretty skeptical about it because it was kind of like this. It's supposed to be this tan color, and I'm not really sure about that. One complaint though for me is that it's kind of like more creamier than I expected, so it's not really the texture that I would want. Go ahead and move on to the next product, which is this pencil thing. It's supposed to be for lining your brow bones and like highlighting it. Okay guys, so I think it did a really good job. So the next item is this jumbo mascara, and let's see if it can get us some jumbo lashes. I will say that it took a minute to build up the layers. It doesn't really work that great with the bottom lashes. It's better on the top lashes. And speaking of lashes, I have these false lashes. I'm pretty excited to try them. Okay guys, so next up is the lip gloss, and this is a lip gloss that I got. For the lip liner, I will be using my own personal lip liner because I did not get any lip liner from the Dollar Tree. Alright everybody, here is the final makeup look. It looked really nice, and my favorite part of this makeup look is probably the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is just like out of this world, guys. And the lips, I actually am a really big fan of the lips, and this lip gloss is actually also a lip plumper. So as it's on my lips right now, I kind of feel like this tingling sensation. I actually really enjoyed this video. It was really nice going to the Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you like this type of video, and leave your suggestions on what to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.